Welcome, dear gardeners and lovers of organic vegetable growing. Today, we are going to reveal a great secret that will help you increase the yield of tomatoes in your garden. This plant is not only useful, but also a true miracle of nature when it comes to the health and vigor of your tomatoes. So, stay until the end, because I'm going to reveal the secret plant you must plant next to tomatoes for a bountiful and healthy harvest. If you are an avid gardener, love experimenting in the garden, or simply want the best possible vegetables from your garden, I invite you to subscribe to our channel. Click the subscribe button and join our community of gardeners. Here, we always share the most useful tips and tricks for your garden. And don't forget, every like and comment means a lot to us. So write in the comments which city you follow us from and what garden secrets you use. We are happy about that, and thank you very much. We all know how sensitive tomatoes are to various diseases, pests, and weather changes. That is why it is very important to ensure optimal conditions for its growth. Tomatoes love sun, regular watering, and nutritious soil. But there's something even better. Just as people are healthier when they have a real friend, tomatoes grow stronger when you add a plant that protects them and encourages their growth. The secret of this method lies in the synergy of plants. When you give a tomato a real friend next to it, it not only grows healthier, but also repels pests, and the fruits become tastier. But what is that plant, you ask? And now is the moment of truth. The plant you must plant next to your tomatoes is basil. Yes, that's right, simple but powerful basil. This amazing plant not only enriches the taste of tomatoes, but is also a real protector of your garden. Basil helps repel pests, such as whiteflies and aphids, and its aromatic essential oils encourage better tomato growth. Plant basil near your tomatoes and enjoy the fruits of your labor. In addition, you will get a double benefit: fresh tomatoes and fragrant basil for the tastiest homemade salad or sauce. So, dear gardeners, if you want a big and healthy harvest of tomatoes, plant basil next to them. The simple combination of plants can make a huge difference in your garden. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for even more secrets and tips from the gardening world. And share this video with friends who want the best from their garden. Good luck planting, and see you in the next video.